Hello everyone! Today I have prepared for you ideas on how to organize a recreation area. I believe that a place to relax is an essential element of the home. After all, it is at home that we are filled with energy and can take a break from all our worries. But you must agree that it is much more pleasant to relax in a special place where everything is thought out for relaxation. One chair ideas. These ideas are for those who want to retreat, think about the past day, or read a book. But if you like to relax and unwind with your family, ideas with a sofa and extra chairs will definitely suit you. These ideas are very simple, but no less stylish. The following ideas are not about a place where you can sit or lie down. It is about visual calm and beauty. Well, I hope you liked some ideas, and I am waiting for your likes and comments. Have a nice day!